Exercise 2-5, Configuring the Tivoli Storage Manager Administrative Command Line. You begin this exercise by navigating to the C Program Files Tivoli TSM Config directory and copy the dsm.smp file to the BA Client directory. You'll rename that file to dsm.opt and then open that file in Notepad so that you can make some changes that allow you to connect to the TSM server. So once you have that renamed, you can open it in Notepad and begin by changing the COM method. You can see TCP/IP there. Go ahead and take the star away from that. Uncomment that entry so that that is usable. And then scroll down to the bottom and add node name client and TCP server address localhost. If you were doing this in a customer environment or in your own setup, of course, you would put the address of the server instead of localhost. We just have this all in one machine, so we can use localhost here. So once you have that all in, you can save and close the dsm.opt file. And then we're going to go back and we're going to test that both the administrator command line and the client command line will work now. So go ahead and open up a Windows command prompt. Change directories to the client installation directory, which is Program Files Tivoli TSM BA Client, and enter the dsm admc command. This will start up the administrative client command line, and log in as admin1 with password admin1. Your next step is to register the client. So as the administrator, you can use the register node command. So you enter register node client and then give the password as client. So once you have the client node registered, then you can quit the administrative client command line and you can start up the backup archive client command line. So you could do that by entering DSMC at that prompt, or you can use the start menu and select backup archive command line. And you will log on as client with the password client. And if your DSM opt file is configured correctly, then you will get logged on as you see in the example. Now you can type quit to exit the client command line.